channel Face Choice by Anmol Arora, and my name is Anmol. I hope you all are doing very well. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So today I will do a purple glittery look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So today we are going to use glitter. So we will do our eyes first, then base and then lipper. So for concealing my eyelids, I am using this MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in the shade medium deep, and using this lightest color in this palette. So this is the damp beauty blender, and I am using this to spread all the concealer on my eyelid. So in this case, if you will do your base first, then the fallout of the glitter will look very weird. So prefer doing your eyes first in this case. So done with concealing my eyelid. So first we will do a pink smoky eye, and then we will apply glitter on top of that. For my eyeshadow, I am using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and using this both shades of pink. So dab the color, blend it, dab the color, blend it until you get your desired shade. I need one more shade of pink. So using this Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette and taking this pink color, same brush. So I think so this is looking more good. I want black on my lid, using this Jaclyn Hill palette and taking this black color. And for purple shade, I am using this same Jaclyn Hill palette, using this purple shade as the base of the loose glitter. So I think so I should use my fingers. Fixing up my loose glitter, I am using this two-way gel, and we can use as a eyelash glue and we can use as a loose glitter glue. And for loose glitter, using this Forever 52 Stardust glitter in the shade Pink Champagne. I have seen the hack of removing under eye glitter using the tape, just removing its stickiness. It's working, man. It is seriously working. I will not apply any wing liner. I will just go with a basic liner. So I will write back after applying the lashes. So done with my lashes. I don't want to use a white pencil, so I am thinking of these two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blue. This pencil is from Forever 52 and the shade is F517. So now jumping into my base. Now moving on to the moisturizer and using this Indulgence Rose Gold Oil. Believe I am shooting this at 2:30 AM because I just love to shoot at night because of the silence. Otherwise in morning or evening there is so many vehicles outside, so I don't want that voice of vehicles in my video. So now I don't need any type of primer because this oil works magical. It just works as a shield for my face and the base, so the makeup will not enter my skin and will not affect, obviously. So I need correcting, and obviously green. So the details of all the products will be in the description box. Just go and check once if you have any confusion. And I'm using this Maybelline Master Strobing Cream in the shade Nude. need to work with this fast because it dries very quickly. So And so for my foundation, using this Forever 52 Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation and this Nykaa Skin Genius BB All-in-One Cream. I just picked wrong shade of this. I just picked a very dark shade of mine. So I have wasted my money. It is not mixing very well. So not at all satisfied with the combination of these two. So in this situation this will work best. So for highlighting my face, using this Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. My bronzing, using this Daily Forever 52 highlighter and contour powder, using this color. Just hiding my chubbiness. So moving on to the blush, using this Maybelline Master Blush palette and mixing obviously the 3 shades. So done with the blush. So now it is time for lower lash line. So I have applied the royal blue kohl in my eye and mixing these two. So I just love my bold eyes. I don't like that light, See, I have just kept my lenses, but I forgot to wear that. So left with 3 steps: lipstick, highlighter and setting spray. Then we are ready. So I think so pink nudes will go better. And this is by Masaba by Nykaa in the shade Roar. So I just want to mix one brown shade. I want to add some brown, and using this Kiko Milano lipstick in the shade Smart 434. Inner corners are watering so badly. I don't know why. I want to give a little bit hint of brown. So otherwise that color was also perfect. But so time for setting my base. So for fixing my base, using this MAC Prep Plus Prime. So we are just left with the highlighter, and I'm using Forever 52 Master Brow Kit, but I love this highlighter so much. So I forgot the mascara. So I hope you all love this look. I am seriously loving the combination. So if you love it, please give thumbs up to the video and share it. So until then, bye, take care.